Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix check your notification on another device Facebook problem. So open your Facebook application in your mobile and this Facebook update that says check your notifications on another device. And if you are facing this problem like check your notification on another device, so if you have your two-factor authentication turned on in your Facebook account, now if you have another device where your account is logged in, just open that device and confirm the notification on the device, and this page will immediately disappear after clicking on that. But if in case the other device is not available on your end, what you can do is try other ways possible. You can see this simple try another way. You just have to tap on this try another way. You will get three options: notification on another device, text message, and backup code. So if you have your two-factor authentication, you can easily log in with your two-factor authentication and you will get your account back. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.